Welcome. In front of me I have CAVION Base 5.0 and I'm going to show you how we can find sound settings in this smartphone. So at the first you have to go for the settings. Next, tap on the sound, it's right here. And as you can see right now we are in the old settings of the phone, so we can change the alarm and media and ringtone volume, we can adjust vibrations, we can activate do not disturb mode, we can also change ringtone. When you go for the advanced, we can find a couple of the other options like touch sounds, sound enhancements, vibrate on tap, and screen locking sound. And that's all. If you found this video helpful, remember to leave a like, comment, and of course subscribe to our channel.